What are you doing?
Trying to get 2 trucks ready to go truck racing.
You're in a fire suit.
I know.
So what does that mean?
That means I'm gonna be wheeling that sucker right there.
But so if you're driving that, who's driving this?
What is up, guys? We are at Auburndale for a set of 50 lappers in the truck series. Getting back to our old roots. For the last 4 years we ran trucks, and we built the truck up to become a top 5 truck at every track. After the last charity race, the Wilsons came and bought it, the Martins came and bought it, and they have given us the opportunity to come and drive it this weekend. They are out of town. Thank you guys for letting us drive this. We will bring them back in the best shape they can, hopefully. Right now I am 6th quick. I believe my dad is 12th quick. We are just now getting done with tires, measuring those, and hopefully getting ready to go out for qualifying. They do qualifying inverted, so I believe I'm more towards the bottom. My dad should be more at the top. So we're pretty excited to give the 50 laps and see what we can do with these trucks. I know I'm excited to get back in my old truck, and hopefully I can bring it back up in the podium spot. I ain't been there in a while. I'd love to be back up there again.
But now you're racing your dad.
I am. This has actually been a while.
So the last time, what's up guys? Bobby chasing the checker. So the last time that you and Aaron raced against one another, it was, I think, Monkey on Our Backs. Yep. When y'all two ran the pure stocks.
Yes.
And you didn't have the best luck that night. Aaron hit a parked car. I mean,
I hit a parked car.
And then you also hit a parked car. So, but in that race, Aaron went out first. So you actually beat him in that race, quote unquote,
yeah,
because you got more laps.
So
what do you think is going to happen tonight as father versus son again? But now we're not in pure stocks, we're in pro trucks. So it's totally, I mean, it's not that much of a different ball game between the pure stocks and the trucks, but it's a different ball game.
Yeah, it's definitely a different ball game. We're it's definitely going to be a bunch of fun. I know that. It's been a while since me and him has been in a race together. The Monkeys on Our Back wasn't our best night, so hopefully we can't.
So we just told everybody that the last time you two ran against one another, you hit a parked car.
Oh, no, he was not parked.
I mean, he decided
to park it on the backstretch under green.
But parked.
And I was rolling.
And you were rolling and you hit him, whatever. Neither here nor there. So Brey finished ahead of you that race. Granted, 3 or 4 laps later, he
hit the same car.
Same parked car. I don't know what's up with you guys and hitting parked stuff. But anyway, so how do you feel? When's the last time Aaron Holmes ran a pro truck?
4 to 5 years ago.
4 to 5 years ago.
With this truck.
And it was actually, so you've never raced the 88?
No.
So
I raced that truck when it had a junk motor, automatic transmission, the front end was junk. But so when baby boy got in it, we got it all fixed up for him.
So how do you feel, one, racing with Brey?
I always love it.
Love racing with Brey. Second, give me everything that you're feeling tonight, getting back behind the wheel of a truck. I mean, granted you're racing Brey, but all that to the side. Just Aaron getting back, knocking the rust off. And how do you think you're gonna do, bud, honestly? I mean, because you're not that far off.
No, I think I'm gonna be mid-pack. Depending on how things fall, I think I can keep up for my first time back in the truck. So I'm not putting up high expectations for me. On the other hand, I expect him to be up front battling for the lead.
So we got qualifying next. We're just bolted on some brand new tires, about to put on new tires, and we'll see you guys after qualifying. Here we go. All right, guys, we are getting ready to go for qualifying.
track's cooled down a little bit. We made some minor adjustments to just the track cooling down, so hopefully we can lay down a good lap. I believe I qualify a little bit more towards the back, like 7th from last, just because they did invert for practice. Just hoping I can lay down a good lap, be in a good spot to race my way to the front, if not already start up front. Other than that, just gonna lay down a good lap, a good 3 laps.
What's up, guys? Getting ready to go for qualifying. I'm sure Brey already hit all the high points of it. Feel like I got a decent truck. It's probably going to be whether I fall out of the seat or not during the race, how we do.
So who do you think's going to qualify better?
Brey.
You don't have any faith in yourself, do you?
I have plenty of faith in myself. I know I can drive. I just got to get used to it.
Well, then let's say I'm going to out-qualify my son. That's the goal.
Oh, that is the goal.
Okay, then say it's the goal.
That's the goal.
Okay, here we go. Your dad said he's going to out-qualify you.
I hope he does, because it will never happen.
For our feature race, Brey ended up qualifying 9th. I qualified 12th. He got me by a 1/10 of a second, but it's all
Still
good.
Got you.
Shut up. But we're gonna see what happens when we take it out there, because a driver can make up a 10th, no problem. We'll see after the show.
So before you go,
No.
yeah, before you go. So what you're saying is, you said a driver.
I sandbag.
Oh, you sandbag.
Yeah, I sandbag. I can't knock him out like that. You know, burst his bubble before the race even starts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you were just kind of hanging back, seeing what he had.
Yeah.
So you plan on just, you know,
just
finishing in front of Brey tonight? That's your goal?
No.
What do you mean then?
That's part of the goal.
Oh.
No, I'm trying to go to the front, Goober.
So are you going to sandbag in the feature?
I'm going to hold off for the first 25, and then it's go time.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, you guys heard it first. Aaron Holmes is the sandbagger. Here we go. Feature time.
All right, so we just got done with qualifying. Ended up qualifying 9th out of, I think, 22 cars, 23 cars. About qualified my dad, saying he's sandbagging it. We both know the truth. Hopefully we can just get ourselves a good restart or a good start. Kind of just hold ourselves back for the first 25 and be there for the last 25. And if we can, try and lap my dad, because that's always fun. You know, go to the outside, give him a wave or something like that. But we're getting ready to go for the feature, but we'll let you guys know how it goes after. More than likely I'll be above my dad, but only the time will tell. But
What happened here?
You look wore out, son.
Does this tell you anything? But he looks wore out too.
Yeah.
Tell me about it, boys.
I'll let you go.
We started 9th and 12th. What? 20 laps ago, we were running 5th, 4th and 5th. Then on a restart, somebody thought they were clear to come down in front of him, so his little incident spun him in front of me, and I got waylaid. He'll show you the damage later.
Yeah, it was we got sitting in the rear for it. Couldn't really fight for our spot back. It was I had damage, so they took it as me, which, you know, that's racing. Kind of, you're in this right spots at the right time, you're in the wrong spots at the wrong time. But overall, I miss truck racing. It's definitely always been a blast. We've always had a top 5 truck, and I want to thank Maria for letting me hop back in it.
Congratulations on getting married.
Yeah, congratulations. All around good truck. Ended up starting 9th, but able to make up some pretty good positions pretty quick. Was able to make the top 5 within 30 laps to go. Was able to battle for the top 4. Battle for the top 3. And incident happened, so we went to the rear. And was able to make up a few spots. Other than that, came home with the truck in one piece, so can't be mad.
Now, talking about truck in one piece, let's go look at yours. See what all happened with the 88.
Light.
Got a light. Awesome, let me see your light.
body damage, a lot of it. Nothing terrible though. Brey's truck looks pretty good.
Nope. Not much different than it was.
Yep. On this one, on the other hand,
we got some work to do.
Well, that was the end of the old truck race between me and my dad. Definitely to say, I think me and him definitely had us a top 5 between the both of us. Just an incident happened. We've got a parade this Friday. I believe it's the Havendale parade. We will have our late model and I believe a dirt bike on the trailer with us, and I believe we might be getting a banner. Our next race is the following weekend. It'd be Twin 50s, the charity race. The trucks run that weekend as well. We're doing Twin 50s, so are the trucks, and all around we're just gonna get the late model ready, and hopefully we can put on a good show for the charity race. It's definitely gonna be a lot bigger of a race, so hopefully we can pull a good one out of it, and hopefully get something that we can talk about. Other than that, I'll see you at the next race or even the Havendale parade. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on growing, guys. Come on. Thank you, guys. Keep on subscribing.
Sharing.
Everything. We're probably going to do another giveaway whenever we get a next batch of shirts for the next season. Just stay tuned and we'll keep you guys updated.